Transform designs into mass production with Imajin. Imajin offers one-step solution in manufacturing from end-to-end production process, covering everything from design and prototyping to mass production. Here's the flow of the Imajin manufacturing process. First, begin by registering on Imajin website to gain access to all available services. This initial step ensures you can fully utilize the platform features, from project management to production tools. After registering, you can log in to the system and submit your project directly through the platform. This streamlined process allows you to manage and track your project efficiently from start to finish. Let's walk through the entire process. From design to mass production, highlighting how each step fits together seamlessly. Design. We can design your product images from 2D to 3D, with our expert team assisting you to turn your design into the product you envision. Consultation. Imajin is ready to assist you with turning your ideas into reality. We offer support in project financing, project consultations, and project management to ensure your visions comes to life seamlessly. Prototyping. Leveraging the most current tools, we provide prototyping solutions through 3D scanning, 3D printing, and 3D design. Material. Imajin platform offers a wide range of raw material. Options for you to choose from according to your needs. With affordable prices and top quality standards, you can select from various materials, including plastic and metal. Mold and die making. With support from trusted partners, we are ready to assist with your manufacturing process, from die making and mold making, ensuring that dies and mold meet the required quality control or QC standards. Mass production. Imajin provides services in mass production, including stamping, injection and blow, and also fabrication production. Machining center services provide the machines you need to process materials into the desired final shape, handled by Imajin using advanced machines including CNC milling, CNC lathe, wire cut or EDM, surface grinding, and laser cutting. We ensure quality control through our quality assurance services at Imajin. Shipping. You can also be confident in our shipping. Imajin provides safe, fast, and accurate delivery to make sure your goods arrive on time. Discover the ease of seamless production with Imajin. Start your journey from design to mass production.